Module 1. Understanding Business Models, Foundations and Strategic Importance. 1. Defining a business model. A business model describes the logic of the firm, how it works, how it generates revenue, and how it sustains profitability. Unlike a business plan, which is more operational and tactical, a business model represents the strategic architecture of the enterprise. Key components of a business model include value proposition. What unique value is the business offering? How does it solve customer pain points or fulfill customer desires better than alternatives? Customer segments. Who are the target audiences? How are they segmented by needs, demographics, psychographics, or behavior? Channels. How is the value proposition delivered? Through physical outlets, digital platforms, or hybrid approaches? Customer relationships. What type of relationship does the business maintain with its customers? Automated, personalized, community-driven. 2. The strategic importance of business models. Business models are not just operational blueprints. They are strategic assets that shape the organization's survival and success. Leaders who deeply understand their business model can align resources and activities with long-term objectives, anticipate competitive threats and market shifts, adapt proactively to customer preferences, regulatory changes, and technological disruptions, unlock new revenue opportunities by rethinking value creation and delivery, drive scalability by systematizing repeatable models that can expand into new geographies or markets. 3. Evolution of business models. Business models have evolved dramatically over the decades. Understanding this evolution helps leaders anticipate future trajectories. Industrial era models: production-centric, scale-driven, and resource-intensive. Service economy models: customer-centric, focusing on efficiency and quality of service delivery. Digital economy models: platform-based, leveraging technology, data, and networks. Subscription and ecosystem models: recurring revenue and integrated ecosystems that lock customers into long-term value. Sustainability and social impact models: businesses that embed environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles into their models. 4. Business models versus strategy. Many leaders confuse strategy with business models. While strategy is about choosing where to compete and how to win, the business model is the vehicle through which the strategy is executed. Strategy without a business model is abstract. A business model without strategy is directionless. The two must align seamlessly for long-term performance. 5. The necessity of business model innovation. Today's volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous VUCA environment demands not just operational excellence, but continuous innovation at the level of the business model itself. Product innovation alone is not enough. Many organizations have succeeded by rethinking how they deliver and capture value, even without creating new products. Examples: Netflix shifted from DVD rentals to subscription-based streaming. Airbnb created a sharing economy model for hospitality without owning properties. Tesla blended product innovation with direct-to-consumer sales, energy ecosystem integration, and recurring service models. Thus, leaders must learn to see beyond the product and innovate the architecture of the business itself. 6. Core frameworks for leaders. This module introduces leaders to core frameworks for analyzing and building business models. Business Model Canvas, BMC, simplifies visualization of model elements. Value Proposition. Canvas focuses specifically on customer job to be done, pains, and gains. Porter's Value Chain and 5 Forces examines competitive and industry structures. Triple-layered Business Model Canvas incorporates environmental and social perspectives in addition to economic layers. 7. Leadership implications for leaders. Understanding business models goes beyond theory. It means being able to diagnose weaknesses in the current model, identifying opportunities for disruptive innovation, leading organizational change when transitioning to a new model, communicating the business model effectively to stakeholders, investors, employees, and partners, balancing profitability, sustainability, and societal impact. Conclusion of Module 1. This first module provides leaders with the strategic lens through which they must examine their organizations. Business models are living frameworks. They must be continuously assessed, challenged, and evolved. Leaders who master this foundational understanding will be equipped to rethink, redesign, and reinvent their organizations in the face of disruption.